Bonjour, comment ça va? Because I'm, Canadian. That's all the French I know. Probably said it wrong too. So those of you who are French, make sure you comment below and tell me how terrible my accent is. Anyway, so today we are going to be doing the sawmill and cutting the wood. Give you a quick tour. So this is the sawmill my dad built 25 years ago-ish, somewhere around there. It's all electric and hydraulics. That's a 10 horsepower, 3-phase motor to run the saw head. And then there's a 5 horsepower down here. I think it's 5 horsepower anyway, somewhere around there, to run all the hydraulics. So we take this power cord here and plug it in to this generator here. And this generator powers the whole thing. And should we ever one day have enough electricity from solar, it could be a net zero sawmill. Anyway, as of right now, it runs on diesel with electric motors to run everything.
Put your finger right here, and it turns into